Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. This mug is actually really hot to hold. It's one of my favourite kind of like autumnal October style mugs, but when you put hot water in it, the whole thing gets hot. But it's kind of like a bit cold outside today, which I love because it's a little bit cosy. I'm going to sit down and do a nice sit down video, nice haul. So today's video is a Cherryz haul. I love Cherryz. I've actually shopped with them many times before. I've also done another video with them before, which I'll link down below. But also really exciting, Cherryz is sponsoring today's video, which I'm so happy about. It's a great app to shop at. If you haven't shopped at Cherryz, Cherryz is basically like a household general stocking up style app, and it's on an app, so it's really easy to do it on your phone, shop on your phone. Have to say the app is a little bit addictive. I do go on that app most days and just scroll and add things to my basket because it's got really good deals, and it's all stuff like, I say need instead of want. That sounds better. I feel like I'm justifying it a bit more to myself. But yeah, especially now I've got a little baby who's sitting there playing with his favourite little bunny and book and watching me. He's like staring at me thinking, who are you talking to? Especially now I've got a little baby, it's much harder to just jump in the car and go to like all these affordable household type stores. So being on my phone is a lot easier, especially when he's napping, things like that. I can do a bit of shopping. Anyway, it's a huge Cherryz haul, autumnal going into Christmas style haul. I have got some Christmas bits, could not resist. If you've never shopped at Cherryz before, enter the code Sopherina25 and you get 25% off your whole order, which is huge. Don't miss out on that little gem. It's already an affordable store, and if you're going to get 25% off, you might as well. So if you've shopped at Cherryz before, they are giving you your next 3 orders free shipping. To get the free shipping on your next 3 orders, you can use code Sopherina and that will get you the free shipping. So if you're new, you can use Sopherina25 for 25% off your order, and then when you order again, you can use Sopherina, which gets you free shipping. So you're going to win all round, basically. But anyway, I've left all of those details down below. It's just a great app. I love it. I've ordered so many different things. In the household section, you can earn rewards now. So I've got quite a few Cherryz sitting in the bank. Loyalty points. And with your loyalty points Cherryz, you can pick from a page. I've got it all up here. You can pick from a page something free, basically, that you've earned with your rewards. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of it, but if you haven't, I really do recommend it. You get some great deals on there, some fantastic deals, and you can stock up with your home goods. Let's get on with today's haul. Okay. This is not even the bigger box. Starting here, for 90p each, I picked up 3 of the best flavour of Fairy Up Liquid. Apple Orchard Fairy Up Liquid. I got 3 bottles. They were only 90p each, and I remember that because in Tesco they're £1 each, and I thought, well, that's a good bargain. So for £2.50 each, I picked up 3 of these. So these are the Astonish Morning Dew Pet Fresh. It's basically Flora, but the Astonish version. So it's half the price because it's not like the Flora label. So this one is £2.50 on the Cherryz app, and the Flora for the same size was £4.50. So I did save quite a bit of money with that. So I got 3 because that is going to last a very long time. I just make a solution in a spray bottle and use these around the house, and honestly, the smell is divine. It's such a fresh, non-chemical smell. I picked up these really random J2O cans. So 4 cans, these were £2. I just thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a try. I kept seeing it appear on the front page of the Cherryz app, and I thought I'm going to give it a try. So orange and passion fruit flavour. I don't really drink fizzy drinks very often, but it is the weekend, and at the weekends, I do like to treat myself. I definitely live life on the edge, don't I? From the home section, as I said, they've got a great home section. I picked up this, which is a shower cubicle basket holder. So it just, basically I've got a stand-up shower in my bathroom upstairs, and this hook is perfect to hook over part of the shower pipe and put my shampoos and conditioners in. I picked up a big bag of Astonish, I love the brand Astonish all-in-one dishwasher tablets. We need some dishwasher tablets. We love the dishwasher tablets normally from Aldi, but these were on a great offer, and again, Astonish is a really nice brand to buy from. 2 bottles of Viacal. Viacal honestly is the only thing that works for my bathroom screens. So I've got for £2 a pack of 2 elbow greases. Elbow grease is absolutely fantastic if you're in a rush and you just want to clean down the kitchen sides. Winter mornings to Flora. We are getting into the Christmas season, aren't we? Oh, the man is now napping, so fingers crossed he stays asleep. Now we're getting on to the really exciting things. Quite a lot in here, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. I don't know where to start, to be honest. There is so much exciting stuff. Okay, I'll show you a couple of Christmas bits I got because I just really could not resist. So the first thing I got is a little Christmas tea light holder with glittery tea lights. Now, I think it was Stacey Solomon's Instagram. She was lighting glittery tea light last Christmas and they just looked really good. I saw these and thought, I'm gonna have them. And it also comes with a little Christmas tree candle holder, which looks really, really cute. So I bought this. I'm gonna test it out before I upload the video and show you the picture. But it's like a little cork stopper with colourful wire lights. So I think it's gonna be pretty Christmassy. Oh, cute. It's probably gonna strobe on the camera. Yeah, it's way too bright for the camera, but hopefully I can get like a nice video of that on my phone or something. You just take any bottle and that fits like most bottles, the cork, and you've made your own like bottle light feature. And I thought it'd be really nice at Christmas. And also for £5, they had quite a few of these type of things, so like little model village type things. Now I don't know if you are new to my channel or if you're not new and you've seen my Christmassy videos, you may know that under our Christmas tree each year we have like a train set that goes round, and each year I've been adding the model village around that train set in the tree, under the tree. And I saw this on Cherryz. I actually had loads of things. So this is a little Mini World Collectibles bookshop, and apparently it lights up, which is super duper cute because the whole point of Christmas, yeah, so we've got to put some AA batteries in, but my favourite thing about Christmas is like all the millions and billions of little lights. I mean, it is a pain in the bum to go to bed in the evenings because you essentially have 1,000 things to switch off. It's like a little cute light up bookshop. I haven't got a bookshop for my model village yet. It, like, if you look closely, the finish of it isn't the best quality. There's like little bits of glue hanging off, but it's good enough for the price it was, to be honest. And to be fair, it looks okay, doesn't it? Kind of like a hard plastic. I'm impressed with that. I'm impressed. I wasn't expecting too much. Got a massive bumper pack of waterproof plasters. I'm hoping, yeah, they come in different sizes. That's good. That's good. Needed plasters, great story. For Oren, I got him this, which is like a bouncy kind of soft ball with different patterns on, and it's got an elephant on the front with the ear flaps up, a bell inside. It's not the loudest. He likes them quite loud, but actually it's quite good because it's really light. So, because he's only just started to grab, he's only like, well, he's less than 4 months, so he's starting to grab at the moment, and anything that's light he can keep in his hand for a bit longer, so he'll enjoy that noise. He loves bells. I believe that was £3. They had different variations of that as well. For Oren also, I bought some weaning spoons. Now we are a while off weaning. I wanted to get in quickly and just like have this stuff kind of ready to go. But also I like the colours. I like just like vivid block colours, aren't they? And babies love colours, and it's quite a nice, long, easy to grab type thing. So when I'm with him and watching him, I might let him just play around with holding some of these. Things like that. Thought it was really good. They were £1. I bought lots of these Dishmatic Refills. Now they were doing 6 heads for £2, which is actually really good. But I actually bought 3 packs of these, hopefully. We love these. These are amazing. They're the easiest things to wash your dishes with, but also like we have a Dishmatic in the bathroom and just give the bath a quick once over with some bath stuff in the Dishmatic. 2 boxes for £1 each. Bourneville fingers, so dark chocolate Cadbury fingers basically. Dark chocolate's actually my favourite type of chocolate, out of dark milk and white. Don't really like white chocolate, but I love dark chocolate. Now, I've never tried these before, and do you know what, with a cup of tea, chocolate fingers are delicious. Elbow grease scrubbing pads. So the minky ones were like £1.50, no, £2.75 for a scrubbing pad, and these were like less than £1. So it makes sense to get these ones. These things do actually last quite a while. We have loads of our old ones because we wash them in a hot wash every now and then. 2 packs of medium-sized marigolds. Do love some rubber gloves when I'm cleaning. Now, Cherryz, I'm going to say, is so great for their chocolate and sweets. I kind of went a bit crazy. So I'll show you the sweets first. Got lots of these bags. So these were all £1 each, and they are Haribo Star Mix. Fruitier mix. Lawrence absolutely loves Haribo, so it's great to have these in the basket when he's after a treat on the weekend or something. Got some rhubarb and custard sweets. These are so good. If you've never tried them, I highly recommend them. They're like coated with sugar and they're gorgeous. I started some of my Christmas shopping. So these Haribo Tangfastics are going to go into Lawrence's stocking. He loves Tangfastics as well. A couple of selection boxes. These are for a couple of people in my family, so I won't say in case they're watching, but there's 2 people in my family that love Galaxy, so they're going to get as part of their presents a Galaxy Christmas selection box. How good is that though? These were so affordable. They had loads of selection boxes, loads of Cadbury selection boxes as well. I'm actually going to place another order and get lots more selection boxes. We got some Malam stripes, just for the bants really. Dairy milk. I have some dairy milk. Oh, a free ticket to Legoland. That's good. Free ticket with the purchase of a full price. Oh, that's really good. So these packs give you free tickets to Legoland, Chessington, Alton Towers, Thorpe Park, Sea Life. So that's fantastic. But yeah, a pack of Cadbury's mini bars, because sometimes in the evenings I need some chocolate, or should I say I want some chocolate, but not too much. And I end up like leaving half a bar just uneaten. These will be really nice in the evenings before bed as a little treat. We have 2 bags of crunchy bars. I'm going to be doing some autumnal baking very soon. That's it. So they sell these Dishmatic style brushes, and I think this is a dupe of Dishmatic. It just says style at the bottom. So I think it's a dupe. Where do you put in the, oh, it doesn't have like a little, oh no, you twist it, okay. You twist it. So I think it's just a cheaper version, but do you know what? This is going to be for one of the bathrooms, so as long as it does the job, I'm a happy gal. A tube of Christmassy Smarties. That'll probably go to someone at Christmas. A bag of 12s for £1. 2 packs of flakes. I am going to be baking with the flakes. Well, making ice cream and using the flakes. Okay, some more Floras. So I got warm cinnamon ×2. Very, very festive scent. So, you know, in December I like to like wash the sink down with a bit of Flora, and it makes the house smell very festive, just puts you in the mood. And then I also got this one because I've never tried this, Flora Midnight Blooms. I really like the kind of style of the packaging. I feel like that's new. And also Cypress and Sea Sage. So again, that looks like a new style packaging to me. And should I smell it? Whoa, it smells like a man's aftershave. Actually, it smells like holiday. I can't explain it, but it just smells like holiday. I think that's actually quite a nice smell. I had a little baby play day at my friend's, and she had these VIBs, Classic Caramel Bliss. So caramel chocolate digestives, basically. And they were really nice. Really, really nice. So I bought 2 packs of those VIB Classic Caramels McVitties. They look delicious. A pack of double deckers, Lawrence loves those, and a pack of Whispers. A Dishmatic scrubbing brush. Glad I've got lots of those Fairy Up liquids now, because I have lots of new Dishmatics. I spent £1 on that. I wish I hadn't now. Online, it looked like that was like a huge bag, and they were going to be like a multi-pack, but no, it's just a little bag of hula hoops for £1. I feel like I've ripped myself off there. Oh my gosh, I'm going to sneak this in the car when Lawrence isn't looking, because I'm not sure he'll be a big fan. But this is Yankee Candle Car Air Freshener Christmas cookie. Whoa, it's really sweet. But it does actually really smell like the candle. That type of flavour is not his thing. A couple of Colgate Max White Sparkle Diamonds toothpaste. When we get around to feeding, I found this, which I think is so cute. It is a little, it's like a bib, a coverall bib thing, and you put his arms through, the bib goes there. Because we're going to be doing baby-led weaning, I've heard it can get pretty messy. I thought it'd be a good idea to like have his whole arms in there. But also things like this is great if you want to do painting with your baby or child and you want to like protect their clothes. It's quite big, to be fair, so I mean it's certainly not going to fit him now. A little bath book. He loves the bath. He absolutely loves the bath. Does anybody else's baby love the bath? The only thing he doesn't love is when you take him out. I don't know how to like make that less stressful for him. Oh my gosh, it smells like swimming pool, like paddling pool. It smells really nice. Count and travel bath book. So he'll have fun like grabbing that and looking at the colours, and then it's got numbers on, so when he's a little bit older he can count the numbers. Cat mat for the cat's food to put their dinner bowls on. This was £2. They also have like a bone one if you've got dogs. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's wipe clean. It's like all made out of rubber. Some kitchen towel. This is what I mean with Cherryz. They're great for like householdy bits. So kitchen towels, cleaning products. I bought some paracetamol as well because this girl gets headaches. I bought some toothbrush heads, which are universals. There's 4 in the pack, which is fantastic. And they're universal, so fingers crossed they fit my Oral-B toothbrush. I bought some of these, which are Jingly Bells Hazelnut Cream Chocolate Balls. There's not many in there, they're quite big, and there's probably like 10 in there. Oh cute, they're like wrapped up like that, like eclairs. Should I try one? Very good. If you like praline, you will love them. A couple of deodorants for myself. A couple of deodorants for Lawrence. A few of these. These are great for clearing out your baby's nose. Just stick it in, not high up, give it a little whiz, bring it out, and it clears your baby's nose out really easily. These are fully made of paper, which is really good. Rolos, because it's been years since I've had them and I just fancied them. Some Time Out. And another winter morning, that's a Flora. Oh! And a packet of Dreamies because the cats need some sweets as well. That is my absolutely ginormous Cherryz haul. I absolutely love Cherryz. They're so great to just stock up on household necessities. I've really stocked up. I'm definitely going to have to do like a cupboard organisation and a few cleaning type things, maybe over on Instagram. If you want to see that, give me a follow. Don't forget, my Cherryz discount codes are linked down below, and I've left all the details down below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're all doing really, really well and enjoying autumn so far, and I'll see you again for a new video. Bye!